Alright, we're back. It's been a minute since the last video. I've been through a bit of shit since the last video. Bought an outboard, put the outboard on, first 5 minutes she blew up. So going to court through that, and lost my phone with all the footage of the boat build. So basically this is the latest video with what I've got.
Here we are, the day's finally here. Just heading to Redcliffe now to pick up the boat finally after 2 weeks since I've dropped it off last. A little bit nervous, very nervous actually, just to see how it looks and how it all fitted up, and finally how it goes on it. So I finished work a little bit early, gotta go pick it up, then send it down the coast and chuck it in before dark, and hopefully have a bit of a play around and see how she goes. Be about 5 minutes from getting to Clontarf, so I'll keep you up to date with how she goes this afternoon for its first water test, and hopefully organise sound equipment and electrical fit out this week, because we got some good weather coming this weekend. So just quickly do the bilges, a couple of nav lights, just the basic safety stuff, and hopefully get out there and get some snapper. Woo! See you in a couple minutes. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's have a look at this thing. There she is. Here we are, finally just rushed home, quick change of clothes, and finally putting it in. Whew. That's time to unhook her. Hopefully this time it lasts more than 5 minutes. Which hopefully, not saying anything, but hopefully we can get a good run out of her. Whew, time to go. Got the missing piece. Let's see if she starts. Whew. Fingers crossed. K's in. We have a beep. Got the gauge off. A little bit of trim. See if she starts. Oh yeah. This is out of control. Oh. Wow, that's smooth. Oh, didn't sink it enough, obviously. But we are away. Yeah. This thing is massive in the water. Oh my god. Everything's just so smooth. Let's go. Thing is an absolute weapon. Trimmed all the way down. A little bit nervous, definitely a little bit nervous. So quiet. Definitely shouldn't be doing this one-handed. Wow. Holy shit, that's torquey. Fucking out of control. How is this? Just cruising. I'm in love right now. This thing, I just had it a bit faster, but it's a bit out of control on one hand. It is so smooth. It's literally out of control.
So that's basically a quick little update for you. The next few videos will be of the fit out stage and a few specs on the motor and how the motor goes, and the questions about the raptor lining on the bottom of the hull, if it really affected it, what speeds I get out of it and everything. So stay posted. Hopefully have another one up in a week or two, and thanks for watching.